The next available representative. The estimated hold time is currently 15 seconds. By the government regarding COVID-19.
Thank you for calling Converge. This is Lynn. How may I help you?
Good afternoon, Lee. My name is Mark. And gusto ko lang i-follow up yung application namin for installation na kasi siya. By the way, nag-input ako ng different account number. Hindi kasi makapasok tong account number ko.
Sige po, sir. I'm sorry to hear that po. For verification purposes, ano po yung kanilang account number, Sir Mark?
0020-2309.
Salamat po. And then for verification purposes, kanino po ito nakapangalan?
Marita.
Salamat po, Sir Mark. Salamat po. And then, Sir Mark, kayo po, ano po yung last name nila?
Reyes.
Kaano-ano niyo po si Miss Marie?
Tita ko po.
Salamat po. And then for verification purposes na rin po, ano po yung kanilang exact service address?
Barangay Muzon, Taytay, Rizal.
Salamat po. Okay lang po, may I put the call on hold for about 2 to 3 minutes lang po, Mr. Reyes.
Oh, sure. By the way,
I-check po muna yung
by the way,
status
Lee,
ng kanilang account. Yes
ang
po.
purpose ng call ko na to ay kunin yung job order details as well as my port number. Could you please help me with that?
Sige sir, i-check ko po muna, Mr. Reyes.
Sige, sige.
Okay lang po, may I put the call on hold for about 2 to 3 minutes. Salamat po.
Sige, thanks.
Thank you for waiting.
Oh, hello, hello.
Hello, Mr. Reyes. Okay po, so inform ko na rin po muna, yes po, may job order na rin po ito, which is na-finalize noong August 12. So, i-provide ko po sa inyo, sir. Apan po na na-finalize po ito, yung installation po nila, sir, within 7 to 10 days. Pero since, sir, hinihingi niyo po yung job order, pwede ko naman po i-provide sa kanila.
Okay.
So, ibigay ko po sa inyo. Okay na po?
Ready naman.
Okay po, Mr. Reyes, the job order, 4 na zeros, bali 0000.
Yes.
Okay, and then 54
54
3208.
208. Ulitin ko lang, no? 4
Copy po.
And you were saying na
Okay, and then-
na-release yung job order ko last August 12.
Yes po, na-finalize po,
And
yes.
starting from that day, doon ako magbibilang ng 7 to 10 days for the installation. That includes weekends?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sige. Paki-provide na rin yung knockbox details ko. Thank you.
Sige, sir, for the knockbox, it's TYR
Paki-phonetics na lang.
00. Okay, sige, sir. Tango Yankee Romeo
Aha.
001. Kay Lima Papa 37. And then Nancy Papa 3-4. And then P as in Papa 14.
So, port 14. Ulitin ko lang, no? Bali, yung knockbox details
Tama.
ko, that would be Tango Yankee Romeo 001, Lima Papa 37, November Papa 3-4, Papa 14.
Copy.
Okay. Bali, since beyond pa naman to sa monitoring time, I mean within pa naman, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pwede bang paki-note mo sa account na urgent tong application namin? Gagamitin kasi siya sa online class saka sa work from home ng mga tao dito.
Sige, sir. Igawan ko po muna ito ng, sir, mag-generate lang po ng reference number para rito. I-add notes ko na rin po, sir, to request for immediate assistance
Yes,
due to
thank you.
online classes. I-generate lang po yung ticket number para po rito, sir.
Oh, sure.
Okay
I
lang
can
po,
wait
may
naman.
put the call on hold for another 3 to 5 minutes.
Sige. Thank
Salamat
you.
po.
Thank you.
Hello, Mr. Reyes. Pasensya na po. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Thank you for waiting. Mr. Reyes, sir, pasensya na po. Habang pina-finalize lang, sir, okay lang po pakibanggit yung contact mobile number and then yung email na rin to update din po.
Oh, sure. Pa-double check na rin. Bali, yung number namin, 0950-328, and yung email address, gmail.com.
Okay po, sir. Maraming salamat. So, itinake note ka na rin, sir, for immediate assistance due to online class and then work from home po.
Yes.
So, the ticket number for this follow-up installation, sir, bigay ko na po, 0028-64560.
Okay. Thank you so much, Lee. Have a good day.
Welcome. So, for additional information, if ever na may other Converge concern, please download na rin yung Converge Experience mobile app.